You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Generally, it is pronounced as Ailie, Ailie. Some might pronounce it also as Ailie. Generally, Ailie. How do you like it pronounced? How do you pronounce it? Especially if you're an Ailie or an Ailie? Let us know in the comments to let everybody know. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.